Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. Today we are going to be doing a review on the second foundation that I showed y'all from my little Walmart haul. I think it was last week. So today we are going to be doing a review on the Maybelline FitMe. And this one is in the color 210 Sandy Beige. And it says that it's supposed to have a dewy and smooth look. So we're gonna see, and I hope I got the right color for my skin tone. So let's get started. Okay, so already I noticed that it's a little bit runnier than the Revlon one. So I put it on my brush, but I wanted to show you that it's runnier than the Revlon one. So I'm not as crazy about that because I like the fact that the other one is very, it's got a thicker consistency. Okay, so now that I've got it on, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it with. So this is with just one application. I'll get a little closer so you can see. I see a difference. You can still see the circles and the pinkness here, and some of my old blemish scars. And here, they're gone pretty much. And so this is a thinner consistency, runnier consistency, and it's not as full coverage as the Revlon, this first one, Revlon Age Defying one. So far I like this one better. I do like this. The first one, the Revlon Age Defying, I gave it 2 thumbs up. This one I'm gonna give 1 Glama thumbs up because I like it. I like the color. The coverage isn't as good as the first one in my opinion. Like I said, this is just my opinion, so I'm giving it Glama thumbs ups. So this one's 1, and the Age Defying one is still 2 Glama thumbs up for me. So okay, I'm gonna finish the full face and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've got both sides of my face done. I put about 2 coats on in order to get this coverage. So because it's a thinner consistency, it's still a little bit more sheer than the Revlon Age Defying, and because the Age Defying is a little thicker consistency, it seems to cover a little better, a little faster with just 1 application. So this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and go put the rest of my makeup on because as you can see, it is a dewy look. It's not too shiny of a look, but I'm gonna go ahead and go and set it with some Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and that way it stays on all day. So yeah, here it is close up. Alright, I'll be back with a full face of makeup. Okay everyone, I'm back with my full face of makeup on, and this is what it looks like. So like I said, I do like Maybelline FitMe, so I do give it 1 thumbs up. So I'm gonna finish this bottle because I do like it. If I didn't like it at all, I probably would just find someone to give it to see if it matches their skin color and they could have it. But I actually do like it, so I will use this after my Revlon runs out. So yeah, here it is close up. Hope I'm staying in focus. There it is. And it's not as dewy after I put the Stay Matte powder on, but it still has a nice little dewy effect. It doesn't make my skin look dry, which I kind of tend to have dry skin anyway, so I'm glad that it doesn't do that. So that's why I'm also giving it a thumbs up. I almost want to give it a 1.5 up, like one of those. I don't know if they make that, but hey, there you go. 1.5 thumbs up from Glama. Alright guys, so this is it. Let me know what you might want to see for my next tutorial, and just leave it down below in the description box. My next review is going to be on the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse foundation. Okay, so I'm excited to see this one. This one is supposed to go on, and it's supposed to have like a really nice airbrush feeling or finish to it. So yeah, I don't know. I am so in love with this one so far though. So I'm hoping that I like this one, because this one's the cheapest of all three. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this review, and let me know if there's anything else out there that you would like a review on, and I will go and buy it, and I will let you know what I think of it anyway before you go out and spend the money on it. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you, and don't forget to love yourselves, and don't forget to love everyone you come in contact with. Please, everyone you come in contact with. If they're not very kind to you or they say something awful, just let it roll off your back and smile and just walk away and tell them to have a nice day. And if it looks like someone that you walk by looks like they're down or something, maybe just smile at them and maybe that'll make their day. You never know. Your smile might save someone. Alrighty guys, I love you. Bye. Mwah.